Okay, guys, you ready to go see Epcot Center?
Let's go.
Yep. I'm here with Wayne and Carrie and Jeff and Juanita, and we're going to Epcot Center by Monorail. So come along for the ride. I don't know or think this is going to be a 360 video, but it might be. If it is, you can rotate your view.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome aboard Monorail Silver. Our next stop is Epcot. If you're standing, please hold on to the silver handrails and never lean against the automatic doors.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Monorail. For those of you who can't hear, please hold on to the handrail throughout the trip and stay clear of the door. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. And at our stop, you can catch a glimpse of the fires of space down there. Nearby is the
Folks, this is how you do Disney, at least Disney Springs, on the cheap. You get to ride the buses, you get to ride the boats, you get to ride the gondolas, and you get to ride monorails, and it's all free. And the parking's free. My only expense so far is lunch yesterday, which was reasonably priced. So, Disney on the cheap. And guess what? I don't have to stand in lines for 2 to 4 hours to ride a stinking ride that I spent hundreds of dollars to ride. Just saying. You do it your way, I do it my way. Thanks to Carrie. Wasn't this your idea or Jeff's? No, this was Jeff's.
Yeah, they told us about it, and we begged them to show us the ropes, and they did. Very kind.
It is busier today than yesterday. This is a Thursday. We're 1 week away from 4th of July, aren't we?
It'll get busier every day between now and then, probably.
Oh, yeah.
You don't even want to try this on Saturday.
So, here we go. Getting to do a lot for nothing. So I suggest if you're going to do a family vacation at Walt Disney World, you should consider scheduling one day just for Disney Springs. And that's where y'all recommend to park your car for free and then catch buses to go to all the different parks, right?
Absolutely. Buses or but the only thing you can get from Disney Springs is a bus. But you can get them to places that have the Sky Ride and the Monorail.
And right there at Disney Springs, you can catch the boats.
The boats.
And there's so much to do there for kids and adults. So everybody will love it. And other than what you buy in the food and drinks, it's free. Or unless you want to do a amphibious car or something like that. Or ride the balloon.
Yeah.
So.
What? Oh, deer. Another one.
Oh yeah, there is deer out there.
Huh.
Of course, in parts of Texas, I've seen more dead deer in that length of time than I did you just saw live deer.
Wow.
At least they apparently keep the speed on these low. I mean, I think they probably go 50 or 60. But when the other one come the other way is going 50 or 60, it really does look fast.
Yeah. Oh, look at the solar.
So, yeah, I'll power a few iPads or iPhones, but not many. The guy driving this thing saying, "Oh my God, I gotta see Epcot again."
Well, we'll see.
It's coming up.
There's the big ball. See it?
It is coming up.
Poor thing.
At night, it's just turning colors and stuff like that.
And there was a ride inside. Roller coaster.
I think it's while they're on ride.
There.
I'm gonna try to shoot it short.
Yeah.
I'm multi-talented that way.
You'll be able to do that. Looks like we're going into a thing.
Okay, this is Don Cowboy Biker Adventures coming to you from Epcot Center on the monorail. Trying to do a short here and film at the same time. Here it comes. Here it comes. There you go. We'll be looping around it. So,
I want to set up the side now.
Or exploring a fun new city built on the power of play. World Search.
crazy, huh?
I want to sit on this side. Test track is closed. You guys want to test track last time you were here? Yes.
And enjoy stellar dining in space. At Tesla, you can experience the exhilaration of test driving on the longest and fastest ride in the
It's on the right side.
across the
It's on the right side. It's all for the fireworks.
Oh, yeah.
Some exciting new adventures around the world are coming to practice. Canada, China, and the United Kingdom. Join us tonight and celebrate together. There's even more to explore. As you come around the world of imagination. Inside those glass areas, unleash your spark and journey into imagination with Victor. And experience your favorite short film like never before at the Disney Pixar Short Film Festival. Next, Imperfect.
There's a really good restaurant in there too.
The land is also
Yeah.
the story of free flying adventure across the wonders around the world. Here at the scene, you'll get a moving done of favorite undersea bound from Disney Pixar's Class A Motorhome.
And there it is, Epcot Center. I hope you enjoyed it.
There are designated just outside the park. Please hold on to the camera and stay clear of the doors of the Monorail property. The doors open on behalf of the cast of the Disney World Resort.
I thought there
They might
wasn't.
make us get off and then get back on again. Yeah. Okay.
All right, I'm just gonna let it run.
We'll see.
Hey, I don't know.
No, stay in.
Stay.
Is that going on YouTube?
Yep.
Is it actually?
Well, maybe. Depends on how this turns out.
Here.
What's the YouTube?
Cowboy Biker Adventures. Cowboy Biker Adventures. Here, I'll give you a card.
Cowboy Biker Adventures.
What kind of bike do you ride?
What?
What kind of bike?
do you ride?
I have a couple. I have a KLR 650 Kawasaki, and I have a Cruiser V10 Honda. And I travel the whole country and film it all.
I want to get a bike so bad. Once I get big boy money, I'm buying a motorcycle.
That's the only transportation I got is those 2 bikes plus my RV, my motorhome. So,
Yeah, really, this going adventures.
did you find it?
Are you moving houses at? No, just a couple. Really? Yeah, it's definitely gonna be there.
Please stand clear of the door.
Jessica, friends?
I'm glad we didn't get off.
Our door hasn't closed.
Your door what?
These doors haven't closed.
Oh. They figure everybody exited by now, see?
Please stand clear of the door. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las puertas.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome aboard Monorail Silver. Our next stop is the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes the Magic Kingdom parking lot and transfers to the Magic Kingdom. If you're standing, please hold on to the silver handrails and never lean against the automatic doors. And most of all, enjoy your ride on our highway in the sky.
Huh? Work until like 6:30.
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Monorail system. We're traveling to the Transportation and Ticket Center. For those of you staying, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey. Please stay clear and do not lean on the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking is limited. Thank you. Thank you for listening to Tom. Enjoy your trip around Walt Disney World. We look forward to seeing you at Epcot again.
Yeah, I like my calculator. You like it?
This parking lot's empty. Almost empty. Y'all been at it all day long?
All day. Not you.
We just did, yesterday and today, we just did Disney Springs.
Oh, okay.
And ride this and the buses and the boats and the,
Skyliner.
Skyliner.
the
Yeah, that's
yeah.
my favorite.
That's all we've done.
Yeah, that's enough to keep you busy.
I don't want to stand in line for 2 to 4 hours.
Oh, I don't blame you.
That's just
I'm
not
done
me.
visiting Epcot today.
It wasn't terrible. It was real hot the first part of the day,
Yeah,
but then it kind of
chilled out a little bit.
chilled out a little bit after
Yeah.
it rained, which is usually what happens.
Did you guys get the, I used to call it fast pass, I forget what they call it now.
The lightning lane?
Yeah,
No.
So did you need it for Epcot?
Not really. We've been a whole bunch of times.
Yeah.
We started coming the summer before he was in kindergarten. He's 15.
Yeah.
And we've been back every year since pretty
Yeah.
much.
Oh, wow.
So we're kind of experts by now. So it's not like we're in that, oh, we've got to do 20 different things today.
I know they had test drive. Test track was down.
Yeah, I think they're refurbishing it.
Yeah.
So
That was fun, right?
that's always been one of our favorites.
Yeah, when I saw that was down, I was like, man. Have you decided which park you want to go to next week?
Yep, I guess you could say I'm doing Disney on the cheap. So far, it cost me a lunch yesterday, $32, which is cheap for Disney.
That is.
I mean, you can get real food in Disney Springs
Oh yeah, for sure.
cheap
Yeah,
compared to in the park.
compared to the park for sure.
So,
It is a polite pig. It was really good.
Say again, I'm sorry.
Polite pig.
Okay, yeah, we haven't tried that before.
it was good.
I had the turkey. I loved it. They had this. We had citrus rub. It was
Yeah,
really good.
okay.
I had the brisket sandwich. It was good.
Okay, there you go. Yeah, we're from Memphis, so our barbecue standards.
Oh, there you go.
But I've heard it's really good.
He's from Texas.
I just
Yeah, you guys make the other kind of barbecue.
last Sunday, my Graceland Elvis's Planes video came out.
Oh, cool.
Last Sunday.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, dear.
Yeah, and that's my third one from there. I don't know if I got more to do, but I don't know if I'm gonna do them.
Yeah,
A lot of editing.
I'm sure. Yeah.
Well, see, you legally can't film video.
Okay.
So I took over 1,000 still pictures that I gotta
plane?
put in motion.
Okay.
Well, not of just the plane, the whole thing.
The whole thing.
So,
Yeah.
but I got enough to make about at least two more videos if I wanted to.
Okay.
But I did the inside of the mansion, then I did the outer buildings and the metro, Memorial,
Right. Right.
and then I did the plane. So
Okay. Cool.
I could still do the museum, the cars, and all that.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I've driven past there a lot of times, but never actually been inside.
But it's very time consuming
Oh, for sure.
to do those. So, and I got so many other videos too. Just like I don't even know if I'm going to do a video on this. I might. Depends how it turns out. You know. But. Oh, here comes the sun flares.
Oh,
So if you like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.
Good afternoon once again, folks. As we approach our destination inside the Transportation and Ticket Center, I would like to remind you that if you are headed to the Magic Kingdom parking lot, or any of the resorts on the Monorail line for the Magic Kingdom, you will be exiting here. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day and enjoy your time at the Walt Disney World.
All right, well, y'all have fun. It's good talking with you.
you as well. We'll be sure to check out your channel.
I appreciate it.
Enjoy your trip.